Alright guys, this is Johnny for Christ Digitals. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, guys, go through it. There are so many premium videos. There are so many videos that can make you a lot of ton of money. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. Help this channel grow. Okay, by your subscription. Go to playlist and see a lot of things that you can watch. You can airdrop update, make money online, free time, weather, freelancing, AI tools. Alright, so don't forget to turn on the notification bell, subscribe so that we will not miss my next video. I'm doing this video based on the fact that people that requested for free money website. There are a lot of free money websites. Okay, I'm just skeptical about doing some of those videos because some don't last long. Okay, so this one I'm about to show you, this one, they have been tested, have been proven to be a last longer thing. So please don't forget the link to what I'm about to show you is attached to the video. Okay, check the description link. Okay, you are going to see the link. Okay, and once you click on the link and you want to register, try to be on desktop mode. I'm using phone so that it can be so easy for anybody to access. Okay, just click this place. You can see desktop site. Okay, once you click on this desktop site, okay, it should be on desktop mode. All right, okay, that is what will ease your registration. Okay, now this is one of my account I started yesterday. All right, so this is it. Once you click and register, you are going to get here. Okay, so okay, let me show you how to register. So immediately you click on the link, it will take you to something like this. Okay, just click on sign up. Okay, try to be on this. Well, let's see how it goes. Click on sign up. Immediately you click on sign up, okay, it will generate. Okay, so input your name, your email, create a password, and repeat your password, sign up. Alright, so when you are signing up, try to be on desktop mode. I've showed you. Just click on desktop mode. It will be easy for you. So they will send an email. They will send verification link to your email. Go to your email immediately, log in through your email. After that, you cannot come back here and start logging. Okay, so immediately you log into your email, this is where you see yourself. Okay, you see yourself around this side. Don't forget I'm on desktop mode. Okay, so you see yourself around this side. All right, so these are the things you can do. Your dashboard, payments, referral start. Okay, the payment stuff, okay, which is more what we are more interested in. Can I say that the payment has a threshold? $10 is the minimum withdrawal. So certain people have been withdrawing. Like I'm so sure of that. What do you do on this side? It is Traffmonetizer. Just on your data. That's just the only thing you do here. Log in and leave. Some of us, our data is always on 24 hours. You can be making side money from this your data. So just leave your data on and this thing will keep increasing for you. Okay, so the minimum withdrawal is $10 and you can easily request a payout. There's a way the withdrawal works. Okay, so I will advise you join the Telegram group and my WhatsApp group. Okay, because I'm going to share the withdrawal pattern. Okay, there's an app we use for the withdrawal. All right, it's in dollars. Okay, so this is your referral section. If you want to refer people, copy your link and refer people. There are a lot of benefits when you refer people and they're open. So this is your dashboard. Now listen please. Okay, this is the web version. All right, so can you see all this? I download. You have to download the app. Okay, from yesterday night and today I've used 10.48 MB because my own data is always on. So as your data is being on every day, you can be making side money from this place. Okay, it will be ready now. Listen please, you have to download the app now. You can work very well on the app. You have to use the app. Okay, so can you see this place? Okay, this is your token. You have to copy this. You copy it. Click on that copy at the front. You copy it. Okay, so it has been copied. Now this is what I'm going to do. You now go to Play Store. I want to download the app from Play Store. Okay, let me go to Play Store. I've downloaded my own, so come and see the way I'm going to do it. Where's Play Store? Okay, go to Play Store. So when you get to Play Store, just type Traffic. Okay, that's how. Can you see it? This is it. I've downloaded my own. Okay, to show that people are really using this thing. Can you see first payout? People are using this thing. Okay, you can view all their reviews to see what we are talking about. Okay, it is really working. Okay, so download it. So immediately you open it. Okay, let me open it. Immediately you open it. Okay, my own has logged in already. Okay, so immediately you open it, it will bring a section for you to paste what you copy here. What you copy here, okay, it will bring a section for you what you copy here to paste it. That's because I've done my own, but that's why you log in immediately. But when you are doing your own, it will come that you should paste the token. This token you copy here, so you paste the token and it will open up to this side for you. Okay, so once you get here, can you see I'm online already? Once you get here, as you can see, I'm online already. It's reading, and this is what I've made so far: 0.1. Okay, cent dollar. That's what I've made so far. And you can see this thing, service is running. It is running. Okay, if I want to stop it, service is stopped. I can run it, service is running. All right, so once you have done this, okay, go to settings. Go to settings. Make sure this thing, okay, it will be on. It will be like this. Okay, make sure you off it, because if you don't off it, it means it will only work when you are using Wi-Fi. All right, you can give your device a name if you like. Okay, you can give a name, so you don't need more thing. Can you see this is my token? I've set my token. Make sure your token are being displayed. You can reset your token, but it's not necessary. Okay, so just make sure your token, you can get your token from the web version. Okay, so you are going to use the app to do the registration login. Now once you have login, you are good to go. Just always come 3 hours, 1 hour. Whenever you off your data, make sure you come back to on your data. So this is how it works. Okay, Traffic Monetizer, who are making money from free app. No investment required, no money required from you. And don't forget the withdrawal pattern. There's a process to the withdrawal pattern. Okay, make sure you join the, look at the link downward. You send the Telegram link, join the WhatsApp link, where I'll be sharing how you can withdraw. Okay, I'm about to withdraw in my one of my accounts, so I will show you once I've successfully withdraw my own, the pattern I use in withdrawing. Okay, don't worry, it's a free website where you can earn free money. So guys, if this thing is valuable, leave a comment below. Let's see what you get for us. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you guys in the next video. Let's make more money together.